Okay, let's do a little unboxing, a little shopping haul. First up, do it. Oops. Oh, that was loud. Okay, there were only 2 left of these and got them. I love these sneakers. I love the neutral color. I have some black and white sneakers, so I needed a brown and neutral color. They smell good. I like this very clean, classic look. I'm in my mom athleisure era right now, so I love a good comfy sneaker. Then it looks like they came with some extra laces. Up next, I remember when these first came out, they sold out fast, and which I'm glad because I didn't have to do an impulse buy. I took some time to think about them if I really wanted them, and truly I did. I really wanted them. So I was able to wait, and they came back in stock, and now they're mine. These are so cute. I don't have any cat eye sunglasses, so these are perfect. Ah, I love them. It's my toxic trait, thinking I need a whole new wardrobe for vacation, but I haven't been on vacation in a while, so